magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You come for the school, but stay for the people.
Dito, we learn independence, pero solid pa rin ang support system.
Sa NCF, bawat sulok may saya, suporta at pagkakataong maging ikaw.
Different backgrounds, one premier education.
Here, there are no borders.
This is our school.
This is our home.
Beyond borders, beyond barriers, from Bicolano dreams to international horizons, NCF is where everyone belongs.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where Tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Pakiwin ko na po lahat yan.
Humble beginning, global end. NCF, world-class affordable education for every Filipino family.
Invest in your dreams. We'll handle the innovation-powered excellence.
This is how we lead the future.
magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You come for the school, but stay for the people.
Dito, we learn independence, pero solid pa rin ang support system.
Sa NCF, bawat sulok may saya, suporta at pagkakataong maging ikaw.
Different backgrounds, one premier education.
Here, there are no borders.
This is our school.
This is our home.
Beyond borders, beyond barriers, from Bicolano dreams to international horizons, NCF is where everyone belongs.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where Tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Department heads, administrators, board members, Executive Vice President for Can Internationalization, Dr. Ida P. Osea. A round of applause, please. Hardy to lead us in the opening prayer. Please remain standing for the entrance of colors, the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, and the NCF hymn.
Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, as we gather here tonight for our awards night, we thank you for the gifts, talents, and opportunities you have bestowed upon us. As we celebrate our achievements, remind us to remain humble and grateful, recognizing that every success is a blessing from you. May this evening inspire us to continue striving for excellence, not only in our pursuits, but also in our service to others. Guide us in our future endeavors, strengthen us in times of challenge, and may your light continue to guide us as we become truly empowered for life. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang mag-ibig, telas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyak ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisingin, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ng bangaw, ay hinatang tula, kawin sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng patawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pang ay di magtitingin. Lumang ang araw ng buwan,
You may now all be seated. We are gathered here this evening not simply for a ceremony, but for a celebration of service, leadership, and of lives empowered to make a lasting difference. Welcome to the MTV Service and Leadership Awards Night 2026, Empowered for Life. To officially open this evening's celebration, let us hear for a woman who has long championed the holistic development of every enslaved. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Vice President for External Affairs and Internationalization, Dr. Ida B. Hussein, along with the Vice
our respected members of the administration of the Naga College Foundation, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Sheila B. Bordado, Vice President for Digital Transformation, who else are here? The Assistant Vice Presidents, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Chairperson of the Committee on the 79th Commencement Exercises, I'm trying to look for those whom I should not miss. Our college deans, Dr. Fausto C. Romero, Jr., Dean Lawrence Aster B. Pelejera, Dr. Onward O. Ognita, Dr. Moncito G. Alade, Dr. Ana Loretta C. Romulo, and of course, Dr. Malin and Dr. Stanley D., represented by Mr. J. Bechaida. Who else? Ms. Marivic V. Balance, Director for Student Services and Alumni Affairs, with Mr. Son Reboriano, Head of the Office for Student Affairs, faculty and staff, we have them here, including advisors, moderators, coaches, members of the Committee on Non-Academic Awards, and of course, our honorees and their parents and guardians. Marhay nabanggi po. Tonight, I feel very privileged and honored to acknowledge the achievements of our graduating students on behalf, of course, of our school president, President Mario C. Villanueva. Tonight's program is held to recognize the young talents who have made an immense contribution to our school and the community. These brilliant students who are about to graduate exhibited such qualities that did not only help them in achieving their goals, but also brought glory and success to our school. We have gathered here tonight not just to celebrate the achievements of our students, but also to give due regard to our values and morals, which our awardees exemplify, like discipline, compassion, and zeal for learning. MTV Service and Leadership Awards, Empowered for Life. How do the MTV Service and Leadership Awards empower our student leaders for life? I believe that the recognition we are bestowing our student leaders validates their efforts, builds lifelong confidence, and cultivates essential soft skills. This external recognition transforms them into purpose-driven agents of change, equipping them with the resilience, empathy, and strategic thinking needed for sustained personal and professional growth. Now, how do these awards foster lifelong empowerment? There are several concrete ways, and I hope you felt these in your 4 years or 5 years stay at the Naga College Foundation. So tonight's awarding ceremony is supposed to build self-confidence, a self-confidence that you nurtured from the very start of your stay with the Naga College Foundation. External affirmation of a student's impact inspires them to take on larger and more complex challenges. The activities you have engaged in hopefully build this self-confidence. That's why you are being awarded tonight. It develops practical soft skills. The journey to earning these awards hones critical real-world abilities like communication, crisis management, delegation, and creative problem solving. Do you already have all those skills, our dear awardees? Yes, they're nodding their heads. We're glad to know that. It fosters empathy and stewardship. Service awards, just like what you are receiving tonight, emphasizes servant leadership, shifting the focus from your personal power to uplifting others and prioritizing the needs of the community, of the school, of the organization you have represented. It encourages continuous improvement. Recognition acts as a catalyst rather than a finish line. Do not forget that. This recognition is just a catalyst. It does not end here. This is not your finish line. It motivates you to set higher goals and maintain a lifelong commitment to learning and development. Lifelong commitment and development. Do not rest in your laurels. There are so many things to conquer in the world you will be joining, but prepare yourselves by continuing to learn. It enhances career readiness, practical experience in organizing initiatives and mentoring peers translates directly into enhanced employability and leadership roles in professional environments. For those who are taking the board exams, that is another step before you join the world of work. But the moment you are there, always remember that it should be an environment that would help you in your professionalism. President Mario and all of us here celebrate with you your achievements in the last 4, 5, or even 6 years. Remember, you have been empowered for life. So, dream big, stay positive, and enjoy the journey. Congratulations, and again, marhay nabanggi po sa gabos.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Your words remind us of what NCF has always stood for, not just excellence in the classroom, but excellence in character, in service, and in life. Ladies and gentlemen, we now begin the awarding rites. Education is complete when it encompasses both academic and non-academic needs. The improvement of talents and skills is at the heart of service and leadership, essentials in the formation of a truly holistic individual. Tonight, we proudly recognize the best among the graduating class of 2026. We begin with the colleges of Accountancy and Finance, Arts and Sciences, and Computer Studies. The special non-academic awards are given to the best performing members of the NCF Chorale, Concert and Marching Band, varsity teams, and the Naga Collegian. Allow me to present each awards and citations. Band Service Award. The Band Service Award is given to the members of the Naga College Foundation, Concert and Marching Band for their dedicated service through sharing their special talents and marvelous performances in the fields of music. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Band Achievement Award is hereby presented to, for his exceptional talent and outstanding performance as a member of the NCF Concert and Marching Band, actively serving in various school and community activities, thereby bringing immense pride and honor to the institution. Given this 24th day of July 2026 at the MTV Service Leadership Award, Empowered for Life, held at Villacáceres Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by Mario C. Villanueva, MBA, President. Sports Award. The Sports Award is given to the graduating varsity players for having excelled in any of the various sports and athletic competitions, showcasing outstanding sportsmanship and discipline, skills and talents reflective of a true NCN, thereby bringing honor and prestige to the Naga College Foundation. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Sports Achievement Award is hereby presented to, for his outstanding performance and dedication in the field of sports, skillfully competing and winning in various athletic competitions as a member of the NCF Tigers varsity team, thereby bringing immense honor and prestige to the institution. Given this 24th day of July 2026 at the MTV Service Leadership Award Empowered for Life, held at Villacáceres Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by Mario C. Villanueva, MBA, President. Campus Journalism Award. The Campus Journalism Award is given to the members of the Naga Collegian in recognition of their steadfast commitment to responsible journalism and for continuously seeking the truth to better serve the school and community. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Campus Journalism Leadership and Service Award is hereby presented to, for his significant contributions to truth-telling services and his unwavering commitment to the Naga Collegian's goal and aspirations, thereby embodying the ideas of freedom, fairness, justice, and democracy to promote the welfare and interests of the student body. Given this 24th day of July 2026 at the MTV Service Leadership Award Empowered for Life, held at Villacasas Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by Mario C. Villanueva, MBA President. Lourdes Pecson Villanueva Achievement Award. The Lourdes Pecson Villanueva Achievement Award is given to the graduating student assistants, project share, and Caritas scholars for having remarkable academic performance, unwavering dedication, and outstanding ability to inspire other students as the beneficiaries of the Naga College Foundation Scholarship Programs. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Lourdes Estrella Pecson Villanueva Special Award is hereby presented for his exceptional achievements in both co-curricular and extracurricular areas, highlighting a narrative of holistic growth, profound dedication, unwavering perseverance, and a steadfast commitment to personal development while upholding academic excellence, thereby exemplifying the enduring virtues of Lourdes Estrella Pecson Villanueva. Given this 24th day of July 2026 at the MTV Service Leadership Award Empowered for Life, held at Villacasas Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by Mario C. Villanueva, MBA President. MTV Service Leadership Award. The MTV Service Leadership Award is the highest award given to the NCF graduating students who have demonstrated exemplary performance in co-curricular activities throughout their entire stay in college and for having shown commitment to selfless service and dynamic leadership that epitomizes the true essence of an NCN who brings honor and prestige to the Naga College Foundation. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Melchor T. Villanueva Service Leadership Award is hereby presented to for his unwavering commitment to genuine service and exemplary leadership demonstrated across various school and community activities and for embodying the true essence of servant leadership, thereby emulating the timeless virtues of the beloved founder of this institution, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Given this 24th day of July 2026 at the MTV Service Leadership Award Empowered for Life, held at Villacasas Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, MBA President. May I request Dr. Marilyn F. Belares, Dr. Ida P. Osea, and the Dean of the College of Accountancy and Finance, the awarding of certificate and plaques. Awardees from the College of Accountancy and Finance. Asa Erica Faye A. Bronze Medal and Certificate, LPV Award. Bigata Ryan S. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Bolado Giselle C. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Cantillo Mary Ann Joy A. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Castañeda Meta L. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Chavez Veronica Vera I. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Borbe Antoinette Marie Q. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. De Guia Gemma C. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Hernandez Sheila May C. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Marasigan Mary Edgelyn B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Napa Princess K. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Nisorada IVD. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Rakadag Shara Gale. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Rapinyan Zaira V. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Regmim Nedi N. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. San Vicente Maria Cindy. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Stan Mark Allen E. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Taroy Danica May B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Ariola Danny Rose D. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Balingkit Christian Daniel M. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Biana Cyril Ann M. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She is also a recipient of Silver Medal and Certificate for Campus Journalism Award. Bonita IVH. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Casino Jedediah May L. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Contreras Raven Claire B. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Corpus John Kelvin L. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Jonas Angeline M. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. And also Silver Medal and Certificate for LPV Award. Ipio Lawrence G. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Gata Noel Owen N. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Warrior Judith S. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Ledesma Francile R. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Misurada April D. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Santo Domingo MJT, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Toscano Jasmine C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Valiente Justin C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Velasco Roasting May O. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Iles Kim Leander C. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Alpaño John Lester, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Baldonado Christian Ann C. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She will also be receiving a gold medal and certificate for LPV Award. Brohan Mucha B. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Candelaria Angel Grace S. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Encinas Mary Jane L. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Jesalva Patricia Nicole B. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Makadaeg Miriam Joy M. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Manzano KCV, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Moreno Harold M. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Octavio Jerome C. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Parone Kyle Adrian P. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Perico Joshua L. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Seratore Geraldine E. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Congratulations to the awardees of the College of Accountancy and Finance. We now proceed to the awardees from the College of Arts and Sciences. Rombano Linao G. Bronze Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball Men. Celso Karen May O. Gold Medal and Certificate, Campus Journalism Award. De Jesus Lovely B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of the Gold Medal and Certificate for the Campus Journalism Award. Enciso Bea VK, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Moral Romel Iro B, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Panimdim JPL, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Pantoja Kevin D, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. He is also a recipient of the Silver Medal and Certificate, LPV Award. Amaro Wayne T, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Manaloto Hans Tyron N, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of the Bronze Medal and Certificate for the Campus Journalism Award. Ibanez Ralph Jean L, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of Gold Medal and Certificate for the Sports Achievement Award, Taekwondo. Congratulations to the awardees of the College of Arts and Sciences. Let us now proceed to the awardees from the College of the Computer Studies. Laveron Romnick L, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Hebres Mark Anthony P, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. De Los Santos Wayne S, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Cibulo Joshua Z, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Legarto Gino D. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. And Bathan Dinel Raven N. Gold Medal and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Pep Squad. Congratulations to all of our awardees. Please join me in giving a resounding round of applause for all of our Batch 1 awardees. And now a special treat. One of our very own awardees takes center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy a performance from Ms. Casey Manzano of the College of Accountancy and Finance. Once again, Ms. Casey Manzano of the College of Accountancy and Finance.
Once again, good evening and congratulations po everyone.
Just hear them break. I am but a traveler in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been. In the end, it's not inside, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness sing. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to blessed, where I'll be tomorrow. I can only guess through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow. Forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been. In the end, it's not inside, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better journey it has been. Forward, always forward, onward, always up. Everything I have is gone, and I know it's gain. What a journey it has been. In the end, it's not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness sing. What a journey it has been. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Miss Casey. That was a wonderful reminder that our awardees are not only leaders and servants, they are also artists. Before we continue with our awarding rites, we pause for what I believe will be one of the most meaningful moments of the evening. Tonight's inspirational talk will be delivered by a man whose story is a testament to what it means to truly serve. Our highest ranking MTV Service Leadership Awardee for 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome from the College of Health Sciences, Mr. Paulo R. Roa.
Leadership is not about known by many people. It's about being remembered by the people you choose to serve. Good evening, everyone. To our President, Sir Mario Villanueva. To our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Elizabeth Maniquez. To our Executive Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. Aida P. Osea. To our board members and administrator. To our Director for Student Affairs and Services, Ma'am Marivic Balance. To our Head Student Affairs, Sir Son Riboriano. To the Deans of 8 colleges, student leaders, awardees, parents and friends, and also to the graduating committee headed by our chairman, our chairperson, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares. Good evening po. Standing here tonight feels surreal, sa totoo lang po. Kung may magsasabi sa akin nung second year college ako, na balang araw ay tatayo ako rito sa harapan ninyo bilang isang student leader and gaining an higher and highest score in the MTV Award, hindi po ako maniniwala agad. Because honestly, this journey was never easy for me. Behind every achievement was a pressure. Behind every successful event was sleepless nights. Behind every title was sacrifice. Sorry po, kinakabahan po. I started my leadership during my second year college. Noong una, akala ko po ang pagiging student leader was just about organizing event, attending meetings, and representing student. Pero habang tumatagal, mas lalo kong na-realize na leadership is deeper than that. Leadership means carrying responsibilities even when you're already tired. Leadership means balancing academic duties, reports, events, meeting, and personal struggle, all of that at the same time. Habang ang iba nagpapahinga, ikaw nasa meeting. Habang ang iba natutulog, ikaw naman gumagawa ng document at proposal para lang may sabi na ang staff ay hindi nasasayang or naisasangtabi. Habang ang iba nag-enjoy sa free time nila, ikaw naman iniisip kung paano mas mapapabuti ang pagbigay ng service sa ating student body. And honestly, there were moments na gusto na nating sumuko. Tama? May mga panahong sobrang pagod ka na, physically, mentally, at emotionally. Pero kailangan pa rin nating tumayo at magpatuloy dahil may mga estudyanteng umaasa sa atin. Tayo ang boses ng bawat students, lalo na ng NCF students. And yet, despite all of that, we stayed. There were people ask me, why did you choose to serve? And why did you choose to be a student leader? And honestly, I did not choose leadership for recognition, popularity, or any titles. Because I chose leadership because I wanted to serve. I saw a student who needed representation. I saw a student who needed someone willing to listen. I saw problems that needed an action. And little by little, leadership stopped becoming just a position for me. It became my purpose. Another question people ask me, why did you choose to serve the student body instead of enjoying your personal life? The answer is very simple, everyone. Because serving people became more fulfilling than choosing your comfort. Yes, sobrang daming sacrifices. Maraming pagod, maraming oras yung nawawala. Maraming pagkakataong sarili mo muna sana ang pipiliin mo. But there is something beautiful about knowing that your sacrifice became meaningful for other people. Na kahit pagod ka, may natutulungan ka. Na kahit drained ka, may students na nakakaramdam na may boses sila sa ating institution. Na hindi naging madali ang journey na ito. There were criticism. There is a bashing. Takot tayong ma-post online ng mga students. Misunderstanding, pressure, burnout, at mga students na kahit ginagawa mo naman ang best mo, pakiramdam mo kulang pa rin. But there is one statement that stayed me throughout my leadership journey. I remember when Sir Sonny Borriano mentioned that student participation is slowly declining. Hindi lang po sa ating school. This is a national problem. Na unti-unti nang nababawasan ang students na gustong mag-lead, makilahok, bumoto at magsilbi. And honestly, that statement hit me hard. Because leadership is important. Student leaders protect student voices. Kapag walang leaders na handang magsalita at manindigan, maraming estudyante ang hindi maririnig. Instead of discouraging me, that statement became my motivation para magpatuloy. This school year, 2025-2026, I want to share with you that I was part of the NCF COMELEC. Isa sa mga naging focus namin during the CSG election was encouraging students to participate and vote. Hindi lang para magkaroon ng election, kundi para maiparamdam sa student na mahalaga ang boses nila. And today, I can proudly say that last CSG election achieved one of the highest voting turnouts in the history of NCF College Department. At para sa akin, hindi lang siya achievement. It was a proof that students still care. Students still believe in leadership. Students still believe that their voices matter. As I stand here tonight, I do not stand as someone perfect. I stand here as someone who got tired many times, questioned myself many times, almost gave up many times, but still choose continue serving. Now, I want to thank my family. Thank you for being my strength behind the scenes. Thank you for understanding the stress, yung mga pagod and sacrifices that came with leadership. To Gob, JC, Josh, Tala, Mariel, and El, Thank you for trust, support, friendship throughout this journey. Minsan nagkakatampuhan, nagkakagalit. Pero iyon ay parte lang ng ating trabaho. Because leadership came lighter because of people like you. To my CHS, CSE family, and to my NCF COMELEC family, thank you for becoming my second home. The victory and every hardship became meaningful because I experienced them with all of you. To our Dean and to our advisor, Sir J.J. Bichayda, and to our faculty and staff from the CHS department. To Sir Son and Ma'am Marivic, thank you po sa inyong guidance, wisdom, patience, support sa mga student leaders na tulad ko. Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga at pagbibigay ng pasensya kapag kami po ay naghihingi ng inyong perma sa aming mga proposal. To my OSA and OSS staff, especially sa mga student assistants na walang sawang nag-accommodate kahit cut-off na sa office. Maraming salamat po for your patience and kindness. To my special loved one, Ivan, thank you for always believing in me and standing by my side. This award means so much, more because I get to share it with you in my heart. I couldn't have done it without you, your love and support. To the NCF, headed by Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, thank you for supporting student leader like me and letting us serve our fellow NCF. To the student leader here tonight, please do not be afraid to lead. Nakakatakot minsan, nakakapagod. Minsan mas malakas pa ang criticism kaysa appreciation. But continue serving anyway. Because leadership is never about the fame. Leadership is about service, sacrifice, and choosing to stand for others even there is difficulties. Again, maraming salamat po, and God bless us all.
Thank you, Sir Mr. Paulo. Your journey is a proof that the most powerful form of leadership is one rooted in service. We carry those words with us as we continue the evening. Let us now continue with our second batch of awardees. May I request Dr. Marlene F. Balares, Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, and the Dean Stanley D. represented by Sir J.J. Bichayda to award the special non-academic awards, the MTV Service Leadership Award, our highest co-curricular honor to the deserving graduates of the College of Health Sciences, Engineering, and Business and Management. The awardees from the College of Health Sciences, Kalungi Rika Nicole O, Gold Medal and Certificate, Band Achievement Award. Ago Liza A, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Bardon Mark Joshua S.C., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Deliva Angelica V, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Garchitorena Claro M. Jr., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Nale Melinda A., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Panizares Melissa Brittany S., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Penas Giselle P., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Ruiz Maria Tresha A., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Tolentino Justin Fiona R., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Bagalihog Crystal S., Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Barreto Bea G., Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Basagre Jessame D., Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Borlado Erica May A., Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Brazal Maria Cheyenne Lin Z., Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Dukay Jane C., Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Lopez, Sina Jane C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Nala Shane Antoinette D. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Orense Tristan B. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Torres Hannah Joy I. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Abel Julius Christian F. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Abion Luigi A. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. He will also be receiving a silver medal and certificate for Sports Achievement Award, Pep Squad. Arlante Joshua T. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Sauro L. Jaireti, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Castillo Carlos Inigo DJ, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Cora Elaine Joy A. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Eliana Katrina C. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Floranza Suzette N. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Lagarde Maika P. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Aurea Maria Sheila B. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. And Roa Paulo R. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Congratulations to the awardees of the College of Health Sciences. We now come to the awarding of the awardees from the College of Engineering. The College of Engineering, Verdiflor Alan Jason B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, Sports Achievement Award, Futsal. Gozada Chris Steven F. Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Futsal. Gamatero John Ruvik P. Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Futsal. Balance John Edric V. Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Boxing. Bien Maria Joy S. Gold Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Billiards. Paular Kyla May P. Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Pep Squad. Prado Francis Mien L. Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Dance Sport. Roselis Edward N. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Gamul Johanna May C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Marfil Froilan Jr. L. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Pontanilla Maria Wilhelmina T. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Adami Aryan Joshua P. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Kado Arvin J.B. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Lopez John Kenneth C. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Mapusa Christine Jane R. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Arias Rufa S. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Saligan Mark Francis F. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Let us give a resounding applause to the awardees from the College of Engineering. We now come to the awarding of the awardees from the College of Business and Management. Belleza Russell P. Bronze Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Futsal. Dialogo Jeric Ryan V. Silver Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Futsal. Averilia Cameron April B. Gold Medal and Certificate, Band Achievement Award, Major. Halyores Janine R. Bronze Medal and Certificate, Band Achievement Award, Coral. Anastasio Rosette B. Gold Medal and Certificate. Sports Achievement Award. Chess. Kapukaw Tristan Matthew N. Gold Medal and Certificate. Volleyball Men Sports Achievement Award. Mase Franco R. Gold Medal and Certificate. Basketball Men Sports Achievement Award. Matamorosa Shane Mark D. Silver Medal and Certificate. Tennis Sport Achievement Award. Reyes Ricardo Justine O. Bronze Medal and Certificate. Badminton Sports Achievement Award. Paragas Eliza Jane I. Bronze Medal and Certificate. Mucha ng Prisaa Sports Achievement Award. She will also receive a silver medal and certificate as the Color Guards Sport Achievement Award. Abitan Micaela B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Arca Regine Ann D. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Bola Gwyneth Ann L. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Kabase Jasmine B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Dapunan Lovely Joy P. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Frias Alana May A. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Mahinay para Raya D. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Marin Mildred S. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Mataba Thalia Grace P. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Orilla Gian Marie T. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Peñalas Divine Hannah Rose B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Revelia Justin Ann, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Louise Mary Joy B. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Cibolo Joseph Daniel Z. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Tukay Tony D. Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Wencelida Anime L. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Deliguero Andre Christian G. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Dora Ricardo S. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Francisco Daniela L. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Mawan Cherise P. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Montana Angela O. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Olarve Ulysses, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Olivar Jim O. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Vergara Dwini Angel A, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Abilende Abel C, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Ballester Nika Marie B, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Busmente Lavinia Marie B, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Casimero Queen Carish O, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Estipona Mary Louise O, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Imperial John Ray D, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. And Mayupa Reynold M, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Congratulations to all of our Batch 2 awardees. A resounding round of applause, please. At this moment, let us now enjoy another special performance from the representative of the College of the Criminal Justice Education. Let us now welcome Mr. John Lexter Cañete.
Hello.
Thank
a wonderful presentation, Mr. Cañete. And now, for our final batch of the evening, may I again request Dr. Balares, Dr. Osea, and the Dean of the College of Teacher Education, Dean Albert Ognita. We continue with the special non-academic awards of the MTV Service Leadership Award, our highest co-curricular honor to the deserving graduating College of Teacher Education and Criminal Justice Education. The awardees from the College of Teacher Education: Villarena Jofer D, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Futsal Sports Achievement Award. Regais Tumo, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Pep Squad Sports Achievement Award. Ruby Russell J. Jr., Silver Medal and Certificate, Pep Squad Sports Achievement Award. Solomon Mark Jan C., Silver Medal and Certificate, Volleyball Man Sports Achievement Award. Sumayaw Nicole V., Silver Medal and Certificate, Tennis Sports Achievement Award. Moquera Monica D., Gold Medal and Certificate, Dance Sports Achievement Award. Hipólito Robert Jasper B., Gold Medal and Certificate, Sepak Takraw Sports Achievement Award. Otero Kyle Jason R., Gold Medal and Certificate, Volleyball Man Sports Achievement Award. Sabater John Paul V., Gold Medal and Certificate, Athletics Sports Achievement Award. Pangilinan Robin John P., Bronze Medal and Certificate, Campus Journalism Award. Rodriguez John Marini S., Gold Medal and Certificate, Campus Journalism Award. Allegra Riesha May A, Silver Medal and Certificate, LPV Award. Boncodine Jennifer B, Silver Medal and Certificate, LPV Award. Brazil Clay May B, Silver Medal and Certificate, LPV Award. De la Cruz Lizelle B, Silver Medallion and Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She will also be receiving a Silver Medal and Certificate for LPV Award. Yona Trisha May A, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She will also be receiving a Silver Medal and Certificate for LPV Award. Mariana Sandraline Marie V, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Menya Princess Angel D, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Okyalda Maridel P, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of Gold Medal and Certificate for the Campus Journalism Award. Panolino Hazel Veronica I, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Runner-up Keithley Shane O, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Salas Micarson Anthony M, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. San Juan Eloisa A, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Raduya Sena Pearl A, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Belmonte Apple Sheena B, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Galvez Jeneline A, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Gatasilo John Rymel R, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Ipo Gwyneth Nicole O, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of the Silver Medal and Certificate for the PEP Squad Sports Achievement Award. Luberio Christine L, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Nopia Katrina E, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Also a recipient of the Gold Medal and Certificate for the LPV Award. Okor Ryan Mark C, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Pado Rosario Bianca B, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Tubi Sherry Lynn R, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Dehita Roxanne B, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. De La Rosa Rance Drazel B, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Domingo Nicole Rose G, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Esteve Anthony, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Ibalyar Eileen Asia C, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Marina Arwin Nikos V, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. He will also be receiving a bronze medal and certificate for the Band Achievement Award Chorale and the gold medal and certificate for the Campus Journalism Award. Noryosta Derek F, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Nueva Jinky E, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She will also be receiving a silver medal and certificate for the PEP Squad Sports Achievement Award. Plantado Alodia Jubel V, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She will also be receiving a gold medal and certificate for the LPV Award. Ramirez Geraldine B, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She will also be receiving a bronze medal and certificate for the Chorale Band Achievement Award. Rebadavia Rochelle R, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Revilla Eduardo T. Jr., Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. And Sircon Johanna Pauline, Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Congratulations to the awardees of the College of Teacher Education. May I request Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez and the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Marilyn Balaras. And to the last, but not of the least awardees, the College of the Criminal Justice Education. Starting off with Kalungi Christine Venice A, Gold Medal and Certificate, Band Achievement Award. Orlina Efren John L, Gold Medal and Certificate, Band Achievement Award. Raferosa King Cedric V, Gold Medal and Certificate, Band Achievement Award. Rivera Sydney A, Silver Medal and Certificate, Coral Band Achievement Award. Dumagin Kian Ferdinand A, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Futsal Sports Achievement Award. Balfermosa Patricia Jane N, Silver Medal and Certificate, Basketball Women Sports Achievement Award. Camacho Micaela M, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Chess Sports Achievement Award. Fabay Irish Faye C, Silver Medal and Certificate, Basketball Women Sports Achievement Award. Lorzano Thalia C, Silver Medal and Certificate, Taekwondo Sports Achievement Award. Magdanong Maria Jean Norilyn S, Silver Medal and Certificate, Badminton Sports Achievement Award. Salcedo Jessica Ara A, Silver Medal and Certificate, Chess Sports Achievement Award. Blanco Angelica May B, Gold Medal and Certificate, Sepak Takraw Sports Achievement Award. Bombita Raymarie B, Gold Medal and Certificate, Beach Volleyball Sports Achievement Award. Castroverde Daniel J. A, Gold Medal and Certificate, Taekwondo Sports Achievement Award. Roman Josefa May R, Gold Medal and Certificate, Taekwondo Sports Achievement Award. Vargas Nestle Ken Gabriel T. Gold Medal and Certificate, Weightlifting Sports Achievement Award. Binduan John Angelo, Gold Medal and Certificate, Basketball Men Sports Achievement Award. Baral Lorely O, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Belbes Aliyah Joyce, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Berha Maria Princess R, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. She is also a recipient of the Silver Medal and Certificate for the Chorale Band Achievement Award. Cebriaso Maria Francia F, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Deza Angel Francesca F, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Espe Ian Y, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Favor Gary Zaldi Jr. M, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Julia Zedoni Isabel A, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Yona Shaina Joy E, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Lopez Alexandre Marie S.J., Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Monte Mac Roland P, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Nagrampa Jake L, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Palmiano KV, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Paz Lely P, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Toso Mark Joseph S, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Visaya Mark Lee Aldrin P, Bronze Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Agnota Tricia May M, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Agravante Aisha Zakia A, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Aquino Zara May P, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Azares Zara R, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Book Mark Christian P, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Celis Carla Jane B, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Toca Giuseppe Marie R, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Grifaldia Justine V, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Luna Ruby Jane O, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Makayan Mary Joy A, Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Maranyo David John Will L. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Margalio and Claribel C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Paz Emil J. M. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Perua Marianne Jen M. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Saavedra Tresha S. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Soke John Timothy C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Villar Eloisa May C. Silver Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Avelino Gian Mariel A. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Bali Salvador Manuel D. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Bohol Mark Rainiel M. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Cañete John Lexter P. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Cantre Efren James M. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Capin Rhea May M. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Desian Earl Bermar F. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. and Soriano Maribeth V. Gold Medallion and Plaque, MTV Award. Congratulations to all of the awardees. Please give a round of applause for the complete roster of school year 2025-2026 MTV Service Leadership Awardees. As we near the close of this evening's program, we now invite the batch president of the graduating class of 2026 to share a message of gratitude and reflection on behalf of her batchmates. Ladies and gentlemen, from the College of Arts and Sciences, Miss Lovely B. De Jesus, Batch President, Graduating Class 2026.
To our beloved NCF President, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, our Executive Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. Aida P. Osea, to the Board of Trustees, administrators, our college deans, guests, parents, and most especially, my fellow awardees and graduating students of Batch 2026, a warm and wonderful evening to all. When we entered college, many of us believe that success would be measured by the grades written on our transcripts and the achievements displayed on our records. But as we journeyed through the years, we discovered something more meaningful, that excellence comes in many forms. Tonight, we celebrate the kind of excellence that goes beyond the four corners of our classrooms. We honor individuals whose dedication, passion, creativity, leadership, and service have made a difference not only in our institution, but also in the communities they are part of. Behind every award we receive tonight is a story of countless hours spent practicing, creating, leading, serving, and pursuing something we believe in. A story of moments when we questioned ourselves, faced challenges, experienced failures, and still chose to continue. These recognitions are not simply certificates or medals. They represent the commitment, sacrifices, and passion that shape us into the individuals we are today. As your graduating class president, I am deeply honored to stand before you as a representative of Batch 2026 and as someone who has also experienced the many opportunities that helped shape my college journey. Through student leadership, campus journalism with the Naga Collegian, my internship experience with ABS-CBN, and my service in the community as an SK counselor, I learned that every opportunity carries a responsibility to use our voices, talents, and abilities to inspire others and create meaningful change. And tonight, I see that same purpose reflected in every awardee standing here. Some of us are being recognized for leadership, some for our talents in communication, arts, sports, organizations, and community involvement. Some may have worked behind the scenes, quietly contributing their time and effort without expecting recognition. But tonight, we remind ourselves that every contribution matters. To all the awardees of Batch 2026, congratulations. This moment belongs to you. Your achievements prove that passion has a place, that dedication creates impact, and that the things we do beyond academics are equally valuable parts of our journey. To my fellow graduating students, let us remember that our college experience was never defined by a single award, title, or achievement. It was built through the friendships we formed, the challenges we overcame, the opportunities we embraced, and the lessons that help us grow. Batch 2026, tonight we do not only celebrate what we have accomplished, we celebrate who we have become. May we continue to carry the values that NCF has instilled in us: excellence, leadership, and service. May we continue to use our talents not only to achieve our own dreams, but also to create opportunities and inspire others along the way. As we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, may we never forget that every effort we made, every passion we pursued, and every person we inspired became part of the story we are proud to celebrate tonight. May this night remind us that excellence is not only found in achievements, but in the impact we leave behind. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees of the class of 2026. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, Ms. De Jesus. That message speaks for every graduate who chooses to show up, to serve, and to lead, even when no one was watching. Before we formally close, we take a moment to recognize the people who work behind the scenes to make these awards possible: our non-academic awards panelists and evaluators. Their dedication, professionalism, and commitment to fairness have ensured that tonight's recognition is truly deserved. May I now request Dr. Ida P. Usea, Dr. Marilyn F. Balaras, and Dr. Marilee Balance for the awarding of the certificates of commendation. Citation reads: Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to, for his exemplary dedication and astute evaluation as a member of the panel of interviewers for the MTV Service Leadership Awards, rendering a vital contribution in identifying outstanding student leaders and advancing the institution's enduring quest for excellence. Given this 24th day of June 2026 at the MTV Service and Leadership Awards Night held at Doña Dolores Hall, Villa Cáceres Hotel, Naga City, Philippines. Signed by Mario C. Villanueva, MBA President. Police Corporal Chris C. Bahado. Miss Kyla M. Casulia. Miss Detray Ann V. Labordo. Miss Rosal May P. Barbacena. Police Senior Master Surgeon Raymond A. Aborges. Mr. Ryan S. Estoy. Mr. John Lloyd P. Capascio. And Miss Maria Luis Remoquillo. Thank you for your invaluable service. The Naga College Foundation is grateful. Ladies and gentlemen, what a truly remarkable evening this has been. Before we conclude, let us acknowledge everyone who made tonight possible. The organizing committee, the faculty and staff, our sponsors and the families who have stood behind every awardee every step of the way. For the closing remarks and institutional acknowledgement, may I now invite the chairperson of the 79 commencement exercises, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares.
Ay, salamat. My respect to our President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, represented by our Executive Vice President for External Affairs and Internationalization, Dr. Aida Osea, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, to our Vice President for Digital Transformation, nawala na ata si Madam, Dr. Sheila Bordado, fellow Deans, Dean Lori, Dean Onward, Dean Fausto, Dean Mons, Dean Ryan, Dean Lawrence, Dean Stan, represented by soon-to-be Dean JJ. Masyado kayong seryoso. To our Director for Student Services and Alumni Affairs, Director Marivic Balance, and the Head of Student Affairs, Mr. Son Riboriano, and the Head of Guidance Office, Madam Kai. Ito muna. The awards, panelists, and evaluators, parents, guardians, boyfriends, girlfriends na inutangan pang bayad sa graduation fees. Huwag tayo masyadong seryoso. Ipagod na eh. Okay, our host, Miss Antonio. Guest, ladies and gentlemen, Diyos marhay na banggi po sa Satuya Gabos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So as we close this momentous event, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to all who have joined us in celebrating the achievements of our outstanding awardees. Tonight, we have witnessed not only the recognition of excellence in service and leadership, but also the triumph of dedication, perseverance, character, and commitment. To our awardees, congratulations once again. Palakpakan po tayo. May this recognition inspire you to continue leading with integrity, serving with compassion, and striving for excellence in all your future endeavors. To the parents and guardians, thank you for your unwavering love, guidance, sacrifices, and support. The accomplishments of our awardees are also a reflection of your commitment and encouragement throughout their journey. To our deans, faculty members, school officials, and staff, thank you for your dedication in shaping our students into competent, responsible, and service-oriented individuals. Your mentorship has played a vital role in their success. We would also like to acknowledge the members of the MTV Service and Leadership Awarding Committee, headed by our Student Service and Alumni Affairs Director, Ma'am Marivic Balance, assisted by the head of the Student Affairs, Mr. Sonri Boriano, and their respective staff, and everyone sa Gabos po who worked tirelessly behind the scenes, from the planning and preparation to the execution of tonight's program. Your hard work, cooperation, and attention to detail made this event possible. Your efforts have ensured that this occasion became a meaningful and memorable celebration for our graduates and their families. Likewise, we extend our sincere appreciation to all those who in one way or another contributed to the success of this event. Our sponsors, partners, technical staff, hotel personnel, student volunteers, especially the ROTC, and all individuals who support, whether seen or unseen, help make tonight a remarkable occasion. As we leave this hall, may we carry with us the spirit of service, leadership, and empowerment that this award represents. Let us continue to make a positive difference in our communities and in the lives of others. On behalf of the organizing committee, thank you for your presence, your support, and your participation. Congratulations to all our awardees, and may God continue to bless each one of you. Good evening and safe travels, everyone.
Thank you very much, Dr. Marilyn F. Balares. Congratulations once again to all of our awardees. You are truly empowered for life. Carry that well. Good evening, and thank you for being part of this celebration. I am Grisel A. Antonio, your Master of Ceremony.